5 bucks or something.
Yeah, it's like,
I'm going to lay down right here.
Okay.
I wonder if we should
I'll
leave.
give you a couple more minutes, dude, and then we're ready to
Why?
vacate this zone.
Look at, he's doing snow angel. Jeremiah's his first real life snow angel.
Do it again, Aaron. Do it again. You got to lay on the ground and do it again. I can't see it.
All right, that's enough snowballs.
Aaron, do it again. Aaron. Elias, do it again.
Oh, look at, he's got the perfect spot on there. Look at Kate's spot.
Oh, yeah. Aaron.
Aaron, stop it. Aaron, come over here.
Do your own over here. Right here. Perfect. Right here. Oh, okay. Look at mine. Oh, yeah, Jeremiah, don't get up.
This spot big enough for both of them to be perfect.
Oh, look at this.
Uh-oh, guys. We'll wreck that smooth area.
Look at